Long press customer button for hand follow mode. Motors will respond promptly following your handle movement while ensuring the stability. Meanwhile, only to bring you pressures and smooth footage effects. Loosen to get back to the previous mode. Users can choose the function of the buttons in the menu of Advanced Setting interface. Tap Skip mode to switch between Working mode, Sports mode, and Customer mode. Open the interface of Phone settings. Connect to Bluetooth microphone. Set the interface to FV Share Advanced Settings. Select the voice source as Bluetooth microphone. You can broadcast through Bluetooth microphone. Tap the Exposure Compensation Shutter Time ISO button to enter the manual mode of the camera. Enter the camera manual mode to adjust the corresponding parameters through the adjustment thumb wheel. Tap OK button to switch the adjustment parameters circularly. Long press the Exposure Compensation Shutter Time ISO button to exit manual mode. Long press Mode button and pull the joystick left and right can adjust the angle of the roll axis. Set the gimbal horizontally. Adjust the roll axis can take kaleidoscope effect video.